ka Jingma ka Bakhraw ha Thmit ha warajar arpusau kane ka Lamphrang ya kane ka awareness kane ka Pashat Jingtip. What will happen in 2024? Kerjai SNEM arajar arpusau ka Jingma ka Bakhraw ha Thmit ting hape ya ki jingjia ki balaja ha kini ki SNEM balaya khamtam naduh SNEM arajar khatsau. Study the events. Hapoh ke jingjia ka Bharatiya Janata Party khamtam ha ki state ha ki Jylla bahkan ni ka Bharatiya Janata Party kala synshar. Pei ki jingjia khamtam na du SNEM arajar khatsau ter. Lada Peit ya ki khubor khamtam ki jaka synshar ka BJP ha Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chattisgarh, Haryana, Karnataka. Anti-Christians, anti-Muslim. Jeng bat kabor, rapes, jeng thang, jeng Iingmane, Jingpynjot, Iingmane. Lale mano, piang lale mano. What can you do about it? Babun biong bade banduai. Yes. First thing is pray. Then after that, hadin kata, what else? Kaei de pila bende. Saide.
Topek tosngap. Yakini kendiat kibalajia la kamslem. Kibajia menta dansen. Hadu menta kine kiski klem sange. Shano kane ka plan BJP RSS kanyalam.
Stories of right-wing groups disrupting Christmas celebrations, festivities, carnivals are being reported from across different parts of the country.
Although India is secular, multiple churches have been vandalized across the country. It didn't happen once or twice, but has become a ritual for the Hindutva outfits, or to say Modi Bhaks, to disrespect Christianity. They openly disrespected Christianity by destroying multiple churches across the country. During Christmas, the Modi Bhaks bullied the children who were offering prayers. They were beaten and dragged. The Bhaks even chanted Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Jai Shri Ram in the classrooms to stop them from offering prayers.
हमें लग ही नहीं रहा था कि हम लोग इंडिया में रह रहे हैं. हमें ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे पता नहीं हम कहीं और किसी मुल्क में हैं. हम लोग तो इंडियन है ही नहीं.
A clear pattern of orchestrated attacks has emerged as more and more churches are targeted, vandalized and set on fire. Who is behind it? Vividly, the Modi Bhaks. The attacks didn't stop there, but also penetrated the streets. Goons attacked Christians, pedestrians for their religion. When our constitution allows everyone to have their freedom of speech and expression and right to live, the BJP government is taking them all away. To prove our words, here is the BJP leader saying that the party wants Christians out of the country. If this is not enough, there are a lot of instances of the BJP trashing Christians.
Hey ho, kine jingjia kumne Hapoh ke synshar ka BJP. Ngin wen no ya ka BJP na Meghalaya.
Taru ya kijani kina ila taru ka Bible. Bat kila Jingma ya Kristen. Kappa kita penong jingwa hadas yublay. Karbo turun jong mentau na agos. Bunda di Kristen kila sakso. Hada kumpul sipnyam jong di pajang dal. Hadas yublay. Bat kila taru janjinan jong di Kristen. Hadelhi. Dati Paidbah hadas yublay. Kemudian kubalai tak mu AA kedekat jong ke RSS VHP. Bat ki pajang dal. Kila Haryana yaitu Kristen Lada Jingma Jai Shri Ram Bat kila syok penmensauru yaitu Kristen Kapba kila penlang itu duwai haga siulai haga arpo turut jong agos kita di Kristen jangan berkat bat kita di tarabani Kristen kiba alum si jaka kibala syok dah kita di narok bat omtang kata Bagla syok keledat henry bila taruh di jantan di tempat loong wei ni lanan haka jingjang thang rengkat ke ketiga mon kabla mensauju Jylla dia baru di jaka ini ipat hur hindu bila pergi boru dah kada bila angru ba Hapoh jong ke India men alat yene nuru wei pat bijanya Hapoh jong ke lagno na kanyam hindu ngintip syu ayu ngan ong sapang jokane ri juki hindu bat baro on omsa bat mene wei pat giblai rat ka jingsaru ka buri kinu jingle bat kitang badan hangta kitang penlang ye jingduai hata ke kamera ada ke jingsynshar ma juki kadai kinu diam bombay na kanya hindu bila bendu katto bane ngut gibu bila mensau jur na dari ke jingsynshar ma jong kini cepat hur.
Pray that BJP shall not rule India in 2024, or else shall we live in the India as free citizens? Shall we live in the India as free citizens to practice religion, or in the Bharat, the Hindustan, the Hindu nation?
हरामजादा बैठा हुआ वेटिकन में है और यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में
फ्रांसिस मुर्दाबाद
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद
आर्मी किसान कुत्ता मुर्दाबाद
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद
सीलिंग का प्रेस आएगा गैर वकील सीएम ने कहा मुर्दाबाद
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद
India of a hate-filled event in the holy city of Haryana. Violent speech.
यहाँ के नेताओं को, यहाँ की फौज को, यहाँ के हर हिंदू को अस्त्र दे।
Also seen in the videos, BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay, who is out on bail in the Jantar Mantar hate speech case in Delhi.
Hatung insong inta haka India, badon gating nagduoy ban mane play, banera kajong gating net play, baningin hapsong haka Bharat ka Hindu nation, haka baka kolsor kanlong kumba kolsor Hindu, KIWEI kaniam Hindu.
300 churches desecrated,
consequence of joining or supporting the Bharatiya Janata Party.
6,000 Christian houses plundered and torched, rendering 56,000 homeless. The martyrdom nor the desecrated churches and plundered houses disheartened them. Undaunted by the suffering, thousands of homeless Christians preferred to starve and languish in jungles and slums than forsaking their faith for a comfortable living in native.
Ni gajing bandeng gajing pendik ya Kristan Hapoh ki Jylla synshar ka BJP babun ki aras ni gajing parat mokaharu kom ya Kristan Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chattisgarh. Kini jingjia Pradesh, betul SNEM ini kelak Hapoh Assam, Tripura, Manisap. Kidan dijami ki bohong baga BJP kamdai anti Kristian. Mentah nasim kertang ni ngabangayo ki video na YouTube na ki khubor na ka national news po. Baga BJP kebaga BJP Bharatiya Janata Party kadai anti Kristian, no doubt. Melaban len ya kata ubas kuba Peit ya kiso Peit ya kejintia baro kim len ya kata melekin buri ya kata ini circular arah jalkan pra now Archbishop Ani Joseph jangka Delhi kapalang India kadang kam kerki hadu kata-kata ya ki prophet bomdik badak da kam sim bayi cengai bat le ka kam isolu jisu bani mo ka samsuk song singai bat pam kren ya jingsynshar ya ki bor Ikli balang ro gede ban perkat hai gede lara ka BJP kan job menta arja pusau kapop jelon kapop jengi kapop jeng kibre ki babha kapop jeng kibre babha ki susap jar ki mi ki kane Jika BJP haki state kebakar synshar kapemi ka aing bomlong ban kelaniam kato kalong percaya karti synshar balai kibalang Kristen kim yen kim ai haka Supreme Court ka BJP ka bu khnang ya ka ne ka aing calong kun cover up kalong kun bantap ya ka jithu ka ban pharet ya Kristen tak nata re andon hi ga Jingpynjot ndon ga Jingpynjot ndon bala ban pembor enano takut kalau isin kalau ong mah kan disebut ndi kibai pat ban mudoi bakadong kajing pengkalaniam jubor doi gitu hi kibai tiba kelaniam makin ong bangalasa pengkala jubor dua ayang kata-kata la ay la jadi kita deh hari haduk menta empat don ka wei ke tesku bala ong bala pengkala jubor ya kibai ucakan yang Kristen ya balang Katolik lele kam juk diam dia no kan ka balang Katolik kaya da ka jingikai da ki por nai pi kan uksa na preka bakor we khunda hamo we ku dakar uang bania tho no abat ka we ka khna Katolik te lo mi na ban Peit Lada tit nam su thu nam sapang ka mian sapang balang na setenat ba pikwa pidon tak mesin bandong abanok Kristen no abang na keliu balai pikwa bandong Kristen disutu ka baptisma uang ab sutu ka baptisma balai pikwa uang kumdo ngapen subhaya kalok tnga om ya u kane kamde ka nongrim ka babiang bamen kala Kristen menhap sutu nama kelakan bakwa ban kelaniam nama mesutu Kaei ka balang Kristen kum cha kane khamtam kade ka jingkapa ka Pashat Jingshar yang ni kirulun yang ni kirepat khamtam Kristen ka jingjia ka jingsitam te kamde tang ya ke Kristen kade yang ni kirulun barot wat saya lambak la kata haki RSS te gating lalonggum gating apil pi kiba support ya ga BJP da perkhatna pi kiba long member BJP da perkhatna na kren naduh kaduluk mesin pilong Kristen pi ade perlok ubat ubasuan Kristen pi mut ayo pikwa development ngong ya we ubai uba support ya candidate BJP mo ternyata pila kerjaan le tanpa perkat gua bakwa development hoi kento ka development at a cost but ya ka principle kan ka mentoy ta development Aisyah kam donir tak development balakular naduh hadu kat nong ni dan develop kata natip ke bangale kindon ke kasun wat ki paradok parasna bro tendang ade pak siapa mder Hapoh meghaliat klepet thep kan long kumno tramut hi bande kata ya ka ban kren ade ban kren yem de ban rit ya ka jingsynshar naga menta kari lecong naga menta ki para bru naga menta ki pai bru lecong naga menta ki pai Kristen lecong man mangi kum Kristen le ngide ban don ka jing sngo bang ide ban yadai ki bru ki basam hakalanot ban ide ban keren you have to fight for justice not to just sit down and say pray we have to do something Mde ban yara ubai raso mem there are peaceful means ni le kata but it's not enough wa fadar to Jesuit fadar mau pada sedik prakasu nak ngal jupule kiting tho julus nam arajar ar
badak sini kipuat badak ulat tho kasih ti seki bisa barakot pada Cedric Prakash aktivis pemenang tu dan WR ki bisa beruki beramba ninde ban si syong pengat trong aram ha opes ninde ban krem ninde ban nong ki prophet ban ya dai ya ka hop ban ya dai ka chạy besi ban ya dai ki pai la cho Peit pulih kini jimat pesok beratok pada Cedric Prakash Jesuit. Act now, le mentah yuk dir. Belai kini jingjia jing khubor keleng ya ki sista reuni amru ki pasakan klam mongren mat bun KIWEI. Ongo kisu WhatsApp ting ngadam bapu. Naraki Kristan ki KIWEI padian halor kahok bat jingjia namar batin ya kibor kapapau ya kacintulak cingai congi. Lada yang mentah nyindu uluk ke Kristan ha India token dep. These disciples find it easier to indulge in politics of convenience and compromise, not to take on the government and police if schools are attacked by the sun forever, or if religious sisters are harassed and hounded out of the train. They are afraid to call for the revocation of the CAA amendments to UAPA and the sedition laws, or the total repeal of the draconian anti-conversion law. They are afraid to call for the revocation of the CAA amendments, the UAPA and the sedition laws, or the total repeal of the draconian anti-conversion law. They are frightened to support the protesting farmers or workers, or that matter the applications of Article 370 and 35A where Kashmir is concerned. For these Christians, standing up to the ruling regime is just not possible. They prefer the more diplomatic and cautious approach. Silenced, they say, is important for the greater good. Some of them even use scripture to justify their fear, ignorance, and exclusiveness. All these are simple. Kamsuk kerjai kakam dan nek politik banyak kebakran ya jingnya kesorkar. Kebaik ban penpau persia. La kabalik sian lek perlog bat kabasap Jerman ya imnya bah anak. Ini kan kudu dikatakan. Those who call themselves disciples of Jesus have no qualms of conscience to hold up to some and more with fascists and fundamentalists who brazenly destroy the sanctity of the Constitution and the secular pluralistic fabric of the country. These disciples find it easier to indulge in politics of convenience and compromise, not to take on the government and police if schools are attacked, etc. etc. Karena mereka Kristen, khamtam ki politician, milane ka balang kum ka kelhun, bakran persya'i gini kisneu batia hagari. Kinin ki Kristen hagari, bayang ban kren ya ki hok kisot ka gospel modern hagari ki synshar ke India. Kari India, kala jersi da belum ki kisni. Few Christians in this country stand up and speak up for the values of the gospel which are so beautifully enshrined in the Constitution of India. The nation is suffering as never before. Communalism, casteism, criminalization of politics, corruption, and consumerism are rampant. At the receiving end of a brutal, unjust, and inhuman system are excluded and exploited the migrants and laborers, the minorities, Muslims, Christians, and other human rights defenders. Father Cedric Prakash appealing to the bishops. Today, my dear cardinals and bishops, the people of India excluded and the exploited, the other marginalized and the minorities, particularly the Christians, cried out to you. They need your prophetic voice. They need you to be visible in taking a stand for truth and justice, in being a true and good shepherd, just like Jesus, ready and willing to lay down one's life. Kabaja SNEM hajar apulai asam Tripura kabangala bu Hapoh YouTube bangala share ada social media satet bandap dia hadin but sakiwe dia to play free kiba Peit to subha ban like ban share nanta ban I comment go pray that BJP shall not rule India in 2024 or else. Shall we live in the India as free citizens? Shall we live in the India as free citizens to practice religion, or in the Bharat, the Hindustan, the Hindu nation? Hapoh jong haka India badan gading duwai ban mane play Ylla ka jong gading net play dan ingin hapsong haka Bharat ka Indonesia haka baka culture kan long gat kung ka culture Hindu KIWEI Kaei KIWEI kaniam Hindu